Hey, it's a great day in Southern California. Today, we're on CIA Avenue. And this is a site of Coyote's flying saucer retrievals and repairs. It's on Incapa Road, kind of between Jacumba Hot Springs and Ocotillo.
We got a special video with Puma and Coyote coming up right now.
Oh, get a box of Cracker Jacks.
And a box of Cracker Jacks.
There we go.
All right. It's like a commercial.
There we go. Puma and Coyote.
Ready?
Have at it.
Candy-coated popcorn, peanuts and a prize. That's what you get in Cracker Jacks. Boy.
That was beautiful.
That work out?
Yeah.
Was it?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Post that online.
Oh, yeah.
You tell them our mission is peace and love.
And Cracker Jacks.
And Cracker Jacks.
The owner's Coyote, one of his dogs is Luna. He helps recover these UFOs, little flying saucers here, so the aliens can get back home. Wow, so you can drive these guys around, they're kind of on golf carts, and he likes to take them out to festivals like Comic-Con and Burning Man. And he lives down here, he's got great dogs. Whenever you hear, you always have to sing the Cracker Jack song. He likes Cracker Jacks. Always bring Cracker Jacks. Anyway, this is our friend Coyote over at Coyote's Flying Saucer Repair. Thanks for watching. Bye.